Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using your mobile phone. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. Let's do it. First open your Play Store and search Pixel Lab. Install it and open it. Then click on delete and delete the text. Click on OK. Now the text has been deleted. Now click on fourth option, click on colors, click on again colors and select the black color. Now click on plus icon and click on from gallery and select the image that you want in the thumbnail. I have selected my image, click on tick. Now click on three dots and click on image size, click on custom and click on YouTube thumbnail and click on OK. Now adjust your image. Now I adjusted my image, click on layer and click on lock. Now click on again layer and click on third option, click on shape and adjust it to your image size. I have adjusted, then I scroll down, then I click on colors, then click on gradient, then click on red and then click on plus. Then click on left corner, then click on sixth option and adjust it to red color. After adjustment, then click on OK. As you see that the color was added, then again click on shape and press the shape left corner and down it to the picture. Then click on again layer and adjust the layer. Then click on again layer and lock it. Now click on sticker, click on tick, then click on back arrow, then find the colors, then enable it, then choose the red color and click on tick. Then zoom it and adjust it to the picture corner. Then click on layer and click on pencil, then click on copy. Copy it 3 times. Click on layer and adjust the sticker from all corner. I have adjusted it. Then I lock all. I click on A and click on add. Then click on edit and enter the text that you want in thumbnail. I added my text. Then I click on size and increase the text size. Then click on font and select the font style that you want in the thumbnail. I have selected my style, then I adjust it. Then I click on stop. Let's find the stop option. Then click on it and enable it and select the color. Then click on shadow, then enable it and then select the colors and adjust it. Then click on inner shadow, then adjust it. Enter your all text that you want in the thumbnail this way. I have entered my text that I want in the thumbnails. Then I click on plus and click on from gallery and I try to add a shape in the text. Then click on OK. Then adjust it. Then click on layer and down it to the text. Now again click on layer. Now you can see that it looks fine. Now I try to adjust the text. Let's wait a second. Now click on third option and click on stickers and select the sticker. Click on again back and select the color. Enable it. Now click on OK and adjust it. Now I have adjusted it. Now you can see that the thumbnail looked perfect. Then I click the option that thereby in the plus option and save it to the gallery. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPT subscription, contact me at WhatsApp.